Hey there, YouTube. Yesterday, or this weekend, we've got the Milwaukee Rally in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Unfortunately, Harley-Davidson's not involved, but it's kind of a bummer. But all the dealerships are. So yesterday, I was out at the rally, and I found a product. I've been looking at these things for a long time. TPMS, tire pressure monitoring systems. When I bought this 2019, you would think TPMS would be standard on something like this, but it's not. Even on a 2020, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you have to buy the RDRS system or a CBO for TPMS to be standard, or not standard, but to get that on a motorcycle. So what I'm going to do is I just bought this. It's called TireMinder. They were a little, what do you call it? A little tent or a little kiosk at the rally at Wisconsin Harley-Davidson. I picked one up for $80. Checked with Amazon, and it's about the same price. So I thought it'd be fine to buy it from there. Figure if it doesn't work, we will return it. So I'm going to open it up today. I'm actually going to head over to the rally and get some lunch, get a beer and some lunch. It's Saturday, but before that go, I'm going to put the TPMS on and we'll see how it goes. Oh, I didn't even look at these yet. I just bought it last night and put it in the tour pack. I think it's in here somewhere. There it is. Motorcycle tire monitoring. Let me know. You know, the problem with going places and drinking is that my concealed carry keeps you with a zero tolerance for alcohol, so you can never have a pocket knife or anything like that. It's pretty funny. $80 and you get these two little gizmos. What else? So the one thing I don't know about these, do the batteries just last forever? How does that work? I guess I'll find out. I guess as the lock nut goes in there and then you tighten it back up. That'd be my theory on that. Oh, there's batteries inside. Okay, so you can replace the batteries. That's awesome. I was curious about that. All right, step one, scan the QR code below and download the TireMinder Motorcycle TPMS app. I'm using the phone right now for videoing, so I will do that later. You may also download the app. Look at that, they turn, okay. Oh, well, I'm glad I'm so glad I looked at that. I guess I will go and get some batteries because it doesn't come with any. By the way, it says, important, do not skip this step. Air up your tires to your normal running baseline pressure. If you're not sure what that is, contact your dealer. Will automatically set your baseline pressure once the transmitters are attached. Okay. So it's kind of like getting a Christmas present Christmas morning when you're a kid and you find out you need batteries and Santa Claus didn't bring the batteries. These came with it. They were upside down, just laying there. Came with it. So we can continue. I feel like a total ass. We're back at it. So if you noticed in the previous video, this was laying upside down. When I went to put everything away, I turned this up and there they are. I feel like a total ass. You probably saw it when I took it out of the box. I didn't notice it. All right, I believe this said positive side up. Yeah, negative is down. These are usually, if you've never used a button battery, it'll tell you on it, plus, but it's usually the top and this side is the negative. Pop that in. So that's good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'll turn off the camera for now. I'm going to go put air in the tires, which I think they're just fine. And then we will put these on. And I'll download the app. Okay, let's go ahead and download the app on our iPhone. Here I'm going to just scan the QR code real quick. That should open up the app in App Store. Go ahead and click Get. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Download it. Once it's done, go ahead and click open. And then it's going to ask you for notifications and allow this and other types of things. Just click allow. Alright, so let's grab the front. So I set the front to 36. Let's see how well this goes on. Holding the camera and doing this at the same time. Good. Threads are nice. Go ahead and put this guy on. By the way, I'm going to keep the caps in the back. Or with the bike. Alright, I'm at the back tire. Sorry, I had to cut the video here. So what I did wrong with the front tire is you have to get the app ready, put the app on, and then screw this on, and within a few seconds the app will see it. What I did is I put this on the Schrader valve, came back, installed the app and all that, and then it of course wouldn't recognize it. So I don't have two cameras, so what I'm going to do is put this one on the rear, and I'm going to do a screen capture and see if we can screen capture the app when this one goes green. So I won't have the actual putting on, but I did thread on the front, so you get the general idea. It's the same for the back. And I'll switch over to the app now. Okay, to mate up the unit with the app, the trick is to have the app open and then thread the unit onto the Schrader valve. When you do that, you get the notification will come up to pair it, and as you thread it on, you have about 10 seconds. And once you do that, it'll see it right away. And then sync it up and you'll have it. Alright, we're all done putting the sensors on the bike. Show you what they look like real quick. Yeah, you can barely see it. So the trick of the whole thing is when you screw the TPMS sensor onto the Schrader valve, you've got only a few seconds. So have your app ready, add the tire on the app. And I actually had it threaded in a couple threads, so then all I had to do was turn it and it would go on. So that is how I did it. I took the wrench, tightened them up, the locking wrench. Hopefully they will. My concern is, will the tire be out of balance at speed? 70 plus on the highway. I guess we'll find out. I don't know, maybe I'll still add to the video. We'll try it out and see what the sensors say after we ride it for a bit.
Just opened out here, they just closed the lot down. Okay. So if you make a U-turn, you should be able to find spots. All right, okay.